Hey guys, it's Brianna
And Olivia.
and we're studying for finals in our dorm.
Yeah. Study with us. Study with us.
Get ready to study. Why did we do the same thing? Okay. Hello, Olivia. I'm gonna go take my final for.
No, don't look at me.
I'm about to go take my final because I failed the last exam. So hopefully I don't fail.
Hopefully you don't.
What if I did?
I would cry.
I do.
I don't know.
So me and Olivia are gonna start vlogging.
Wait, really?
And I have to introduce you to the vlog.
I want to pick her.
Say hello, Aubrey.
Hello.
And with the bell.
Go.
She's the driver.
Oh my god.
Who are you picking
I
up?
hate people. Kayla.
Oh. Well, that's Belle.
I want to be in all your vlogs ever.
Okay.
I know.
Hello. How do you think you did?
Good.
I think I did well. I think I actually passed this time.
Yeah, I think I did too.
We're just sitting around at the house. So. Hello, Rumi.
Hello.
And this random girl.
Me, my eyebrows.
It's okay.
No.
You look good.
No, one of them, this one goes so much lower than the other one. Why have I never known that until now?
So, I'm being starved by my roommate. Oh, what the? That is not going on.
Why not?
That's just weird. People won't want to watch. We have class with... We have nutrition. And that is inappropriate.
I just mooned my roommate.
But she's my new roommate.
Same name. Don't have to change anything.
We don't have to change anything.
Oh, I'm not wearing underwear. I'm just turning off my pants.
Oh! Right now we're getting... Oh, is it on?
Oh, is it on? Is this
We're
thing
getting
on?
food.
Yay.
With Olivia's. ×2.
Hooray.
Haha.
Do we have enough time to get stir fry or no? Oh
Yeah.
let's cut this.
Olivia's getting her drink.
Just some healthy water with my healthy lunch.
And I got buff chick. So I'm skipping nutrition. But she's not. Because she's a good student. Oh, are you okay? Oh. Keep studying, girl. Keep studying. Good luck in class.
Go get him, girl. You're doing amazing, sweetie. You're doing amazing.
Oh no.
Did you go up to her room?
Yeah.
Oh, you just went straight up?
Yep.
Wait, that's so cute. Look at it.
She
There you go.
passed.
We're good. I passed. Got the founders, got the purposes.
And now
Remember the symphony. Now I'm gonna scurry home. Beach.
nap and
Probably
there's
some
our
Cheetos.
ride, our limousine.
I did good. You passed. She was like, I literally said this
Hello.
symphony. She was like, you got it. Like you wrote it down. Eating.
Okay, speak.
Oh, hello. Hello. We are at dinner eating shit. I'm like,
It's me.
Again.
Again. I'm eating stir fry.
So delicious. What about you?
Hello. I ate cheese and I'm not supposed to. She's gonna shit everywhere.
Everywhere.
Probably.
Any stories about today?
Today, I woke up to Brianna screaming, oh fuck. I woke up to Brianna screaming, oh fuck, because everything fell on top of her. And then me waking up scared and confused at where I was, and then realizing it was 10, and I missed my class.
I have a story. I've seen the loves of our lives multiple times today, so it's been a great day.
I have a story. We walked in and waved to us and I cried.
Oh my god, she just threw up names. I wasn't gonna go that
When you have to
Didn't know we were dropping names. Didn't know we were dropping
Okay,
names.
edit that out. The loves of our lives. We have different lives.
No, actually, we have the same life. We're all marrying the same guys and having children, and we all know who the baby daddy
We're
is.
getting one giant house and we're all just gonna sleep with everyone. So just the kids are whoever's.
It's gonna be a prostitution home? Is that what it's gonna fucking be?
I choked.
I choke.
She's so mean.
As you aggressively grab her wrist and like
That was out of love. Look at this. It's out of love.
Fuck you, stupid fucking bitch. That was my phone, but my phone's dead.
That's a good clip, guys. I'll solve
That was just a bad clip. This is my best friend. Everyone's a fake in this world. Hello. This is on the off.
I'll even vlog it for
I
you.
can't bleep it out.
Fuck you. I'll even vlog it for you if you want. I'll hold the door and vlog
Excuse
it.
me, you're all in my room and you messed up my bed.
You messed up your own damn bed.
Excuse me, sir. Not me. There were people. Oh. I keep getting scared. Well, we have 7 minutes left. I have 7. I'm just gonna explain what happened.
Okay.
Okay, there were 7 minutes left, or 8 minutes left to my washer. So we decided to roam around.
Explore the basement.
And then we were like walking, and she sees like shadows.
I heard voices, and then I heard like shadows of people, but I couldn't see who they were. So we just sprinted.
I know as they were just down all over this way. And then when I walked back again, I heard them whispering again. Were they like younger? I don't know. What if they're fake? I hear laughing. I'm scared.
What you in there?
We're dying, and our friends hate us.
When you see this video, no, we lived life to the full.
My ghost put this up. My ghost is filming.